In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10 using a USB pen drive. First, we'll begin by heading over to a search engine like Google. Simply type in Microsoft Software Download and hit search. This will bring you a list of options, and what you're looking for is the official Microsoft site. Once you spot the one for Microsoft Software Download, go ahead and click on it. This is where Microsoft provides various options and tools for downloading their products. Upon reaching the web page, navigate to the Windows 10 section and click on it. Now look for the part that offers instructions on creating a Windows 10 installation media. Here you'll see an option to download now. Click on that to get the necessary tool on your system. This tool will help you make a Windows 10 installation media like a USB or DVD. Once the file is downloaded, it usually lands in your downloads folder. Find that file and give it a double click to run. At this point, if your system asks for permission through a user account control prompt, make sure to hit yes to proceed. After that, you'll encounter the licensing terms. Give them a little scroll and then click to accept them. Moving forward, you'll find an option to create installation media for another PC. Select that, click next and hang tight. The next window is all about personalization. You can choose your preferred language, the edition of Windows 10 you want, and the architecture, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Once you've made these choices, hit the next button. You'll now decide on the media type. Here, select USB flash drive. Just make sure you have a USB stick with at least 8 GB of free space plugged in. Once prepared, click next and simply follow the prompts to complete this setup step. The tool will take care of downloading Windows 10 and preparing the USB to be bootable. So some patience is needed here, as this process can be time consuming depending on your internet speed. Once it's ready, take that USB drive and plug it into the computer where you plan to install or reinstall Windows 10. With the USB drive in, restart the machine. As your computer begins to reboot, you'll need to enter the boot menu by pressing a specific key. This differs between manufacturers but is often F2, F10, F12, DEL or ESC. In the boot menu, make sure to select the USB drive as the boot device and then hit enter. You'll know you're on the right track when the Windows setup screen appears. Next, configure your settings like language and keyboard input, clicking next when done. When prompted, click install now, and if required, enter the product key or choose to do it later. Select the Windows 10 edition that matches your license. Accept the corresponding terms, and lastly choose the custom install option to install Windows only. Pick an unallocated space for installation, click next and Windows will begin installing. As the process proceeds, your computer will restart a few times. Don't remove the USB just yet. After installation, simply follow the on-screen instructions as Windows finalizes. Once completed, you'll land on the Windows 10 desktop, ready to explore.